Hello everyone, and welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we have something that's a game changer for your iPad, the OMOTON Bluetooth Keyboard. Let's dive right in and explore why this keyboard is making waves in the tech world. The OMOTON Bluetooth Keyboard is a perfect match for your iPad. It supports iOS 10.1 and above, and it's compatible with various iPad models, including the iPad 10.2, iPad Pro, iPad Air, and iPad Mini. Worried about running out of juice? With its built-in 400 mAh lithium battery, this wireless keyboard lasts for days on a single charge. No more interruptions in the middle of your work or play. But here's where it gets even cooler: the illuminated LED backlit functionality. This keyboard boasts a 7-color LED backlighting system, enhancing your typing experience and adding a touch of style to your setup. Productivity at your fingertips. The OMOTON keyboard comes equipped with multimedia shortcut keys, making your daily tasks more manageable and convenient. Now, let's talk about design. This Bluetooth keyboard stands out with its ultra-slim and lightweight build. It not only looks sleek but also saves you precious desktop space. With an impressive 4.6-star rating and over 1,900 reviews, it's clear that users love this keyboard. Whether you're using it for work, school, or leisure, this keyboard is your iPad's best companion. It's designed to provide a seamless experience across various iPad devices. Now, let's get practical. I'll show you how to unbox and set up this keyboard, so you can start using it right away. Impressive, right? It's a breeze to connect this keyboard to your iPad. The setup is quick and hassle-free. So, in conclusion, the OMOTON Bluetooth keyboard brings functionality, style, and convenience to your iPad experience. If you own an iPad, this is a must-have accessory. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is a UK Pro Reviewer, signing off. Stay tech-savvy, my friends.